Welcome to English for Speaking Practice.
Hello? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Can you speak English?
Yes, but not very well.
Oh, that's okay. I'm also not perfect in English.
But your English is good.
Thank you. Can you help me?
Sure, what can I do for you?
I'm looking for the metro station. I think I got lost.
Which metro line are you trying to find?
The blue line? I think so.
Oh, you're walking in the wrong direction.
Really?
Yes, don't worry, it happens.
I'm a bit nervous. First time in India.
Welcome to India then.
Thanks. It's beautiful, but very busy.
That's true. India is always alive.
Yeah, it's exciting, but confusing.
Want me to walk you to the metro?
That would be amazing, thank you.
It's okay, I'm going that way anyway.
A lucky coincidence.
Maybe.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 streets from here.
So you're my guide now.
Only temporarily.
How much do you charge?
1 cup of chai.
Chai?
You don't know chai?
Tea, right?
Yes, but better. Sweeter, more emotion.
Tea with emotions?
You'll understand when you taste it.
Okay, I trust you.
Good.
By the way, what's your name?
Aisha, and yours?
Daniel. Nice to meet you, Aisha.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel.
You're really helpful, thank you.
You looked really lost.
I definitely was.
See that sign? That's the metro entrance.
I walked right past it earlier.
Many tourists do.
Thank you again, really.
You're welcome. And don't forget my chai.
I won't.
Good.
Actually, could you show me where to get the best chai?
Sure.
Finally made it.
Hey, you okay? You look a little tired.
Yeah, just got lost outside.
It happens. You're not from here, right?
No, I'm from the US. First time in India.
Oh, nice. Welcome, man. I'm Rohan.
I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
So, where are you heading?
Just exploring the city today. No fixed plans.
That's the best plan sometimes.
I agree. What about you?
Going to work. IT job.
IT? That sounds cool. What do you do exactly?
Software developer. Mostly back-end stuff.
Oh, wow. That's interesting.
What do you do?
I'm a travel photographer.
Seriously? That's awesome.
It's fun, but a lot of running around.
But you get to see the world. That's worth it.
True. I love capturing different cultures.
So, why India?
I've always wanted to see the colors, festivals, the energy.
Then you came to the right place. India is full of stories.
Yeah, I already met a really kind girl outside. She helped me.
Ah, Indian hospitality.
Something like that. She was really sweet.
So, how long are you staying?
About 3 weeks.
That's a good time. Enough to explore properly.
Any places you'd recommend?
Depends. What do you like? Nature, culture, food?
Food and culture, mainly.
Perfect. Then you should visit Old Delhi.
What's special there?
The food, the streets, the old architecture. It's chaos, but beautiful chaos.
Sounds like a photographer's dream.
Oh, it is. You'll love it.
Anything else?
If you like peaceful places, go to Lodi Garden
I'll add that to my list.
and try street food, but carefully.
Carefully?
Yeah, not every place is safe for your stomach.
Noted.
So, which part of the U.S. are you from?
California.
Nice. I always wanted to see L.A. Is it like in the movies?
Some parts, yes. Some parts, not at all.
Life there must be fast.
It is. But India feels faster in a different way.
True.
People here seem friendly, though.
Most of us try to be.
I appreciate it.
So, what's your next stop after India?
Maybe Nepal. I want to capture mountains.
Oh, wow. You'll love the Himalayas.
Have you been?
Once. It's peaceful. Feels like the world stops.
I need that feeling.
You'll get it. That's my stop.
Oh, already?
Yeah. It was nice meeting you, Daniel.
Same here, Rohan. Thanks for the tips.
Anytime. And hey, enjoy India.
I will. Take care, man.
Wow, this metro station is so big.
Hi, do you need help?
Yes, please. I want to go to Connaught's place.
Oh, that's close. You need exit 6.
Exit 6, thank you.
No problem. Are you new here?
Yes, it's my first time in Delhi.
That explains the confused face.
I guess so.
I'm Priya, by the way.
I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Meet you too.
There are so many people here.
Yes, this place is always crowded.
It feels like a maze.
It is a maze. Everyone gets confused here.
Do you come here every day?
Yes, I work nearby.
Oh, nice.
Do you want me to walk with you to Connaught Place?
Really? That would be great.
Okay, this way.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. I like helping tourists.
So, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds fun.
It is, but sometimes stressful.
I understand.
What about you? What do you do?
I am a travel photographer.
Wow, that is a cool job.
It's fun, but also tiring.
But you get to travel a lot.
Yes, that part is amazing.
What do you want to take photos of today?
Maybe street life and people?
Then CP is perfect for you.
I hope so.
We'll see many interesting things there.
I'm excited.
Look, we're almost there.
Oh, wow. The white buildings look beautiful.
Yes, they're from the British time.
I love the style.
Many tourists take photos here.
I can see why.
Okay, this is Connaught Place.
Thank you so much for guiding me.
You're welcome, Daniel. Enjoy your photos.
Wow, the buildings here look amazing. Let me take a wider photo.
Careful, sir. Don't step in that hole.
Oh, thank you. I didn't see it.
Tourists always look up, never down.
True. I'm Daniel, by the way.
I'm Mr. Khan. I have a shop here.
Really? What kind of shop?
I sell leather wallets, belts, and handmade things.
That sounds nice.
I have been here for 40 years.
Wow, that is a long time. Can I take photos of your shop?
Of course, sir. But send me one photo later.
Deal. These colors look great in photos.
India is full of colors, sir.
That's true.
Even sadness is colorful here.
That's very poetic. Do you work here alone?
Mostly, yes. My nephew helps sometimes.
That's good.
He is young but very smart.
Kids learn fast these days. Do many tourists come here?
Yes, many. CP is famous.
I can see why. It's beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Do people buy many handmade items?
Yes, tourists love handmade things.
I love them too. Your shop feels very warm and friendly.
Thank you. I try my best.
Do you enjoy running the shop?
Yes, it is my life.
That's wonderful.
Would you like some chai?
Really? That would be nice.
I will ask someone to bring it.
Thank you so much.
First time trying Indian chai?
Yes, I've heard it's very special.
It has emotion, sir.
I can't wait to try it. You take photos of people too?
Yes, only if they agree.
Then take one of me, sir.
Of course, I'd be happy to.
Sir, do you want to see the market?
The market? Yes, I'd love to.
It is very close. Come, I will show you.
Thank you, Aarav.
This way, sir.
There are so many shops here.
Yes, this market is famous.
The colors are beautiful.
India always has many colors.
I can already smell spices in the air.
That stall sells strong spices.
They look interesting.
Do you want to try smelling one?
Okay.
This one is garam masala.
Wow, that is very strong.
Very tasty, but
I can imagine.
look, sir, fruit stall.
Those mangoes look fresh.
Mango is the king of fruits here.
I think I will buy one later.
Sure, sir.
The crowd here is so lively.
Yes, the market is always busy.
People are bargaining everywhere.
In India, bargaining is normal.
Looks fun, actually.
Over there is the clothing area.
Oh, those shirts look nice.
Those are kurtas, sir.
They look comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Maybe I will buy one later.
Good idea, sir.
What's that smell?
Street food, sir.
Smells delicious.
Do you want to try Golgappa?
I heard about it.
It is very famous in Delhi.
Okay, but make it mild.
Yes, sir. Mild only.
Wow, it tastes amazing.
I told you.
This market has everything.
Yes, sir. You can find anything here.
Thank you for showing me this place.
You're welcome, sir. I like helping.
You're a great guide, Aarav.